Hello guys, what's up? This is Dinkar Chaudhary back with another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can configure Soft Ether VPN with VPN Gate to get unlimited VPN access for free. So let's get started. First of all, you have to search for Soft Ether and VPN Gate. Then you have to go to first link and download the first file, which is the download Soft Ether VPN client plus VPN Gate client plugin. So I have already downloaded it. I will be clicking on the download button and then canceling it. So let's go to desktop. Now the location of the installation is very important because you have to install the file in the folder where all these files are located. So when you extract it, you will get around 7 to 8 files, in which the fourth one will be the exe file. So when you open this folder, the newly created folder, the fourth one is an exe file. Now you have to install this software at the location where all these files are located. So let's do it. Let's copy the location of this folder. Now install the fourth one. Just go click on next, like usual installation process what you do. So let's do it. Click on next, and it's like really easy. You have to install the first one, which is a soft ether VPN client. After that, I agree to the conditions. Click on next. Now you have to specify the directory in which you want to install it. I will be directly pasting it. Now click on next. Now there will be a bunch of files which will be added to this location. So let's go. So you can see that the Soft Ether VPN client is being installed. Now after the installation is finished, you have to just open it, and after that I'll show you how to connect to the VPN very easily. You can the best thing about this VPN software is that it is open source and it doesn't ask you to pay for it, like pay for a premium subscription, or it doesn't give you any type of free trial, and after that when the free trial expires you have to buy it. You don't have to do this with this Soft Ether VPN. So let's do it. Now you have to click on VPN Gate public VPN proxy connection. After that you have to enable the VPN Gate relay and click on OK, and then again you have to click on OK, and then it will give you a bunch of locations that you can select from to connect for free. So you don't have to pay for anything in this open source VPN. So we will be selecting Japan in this video, and then you have to click on connect to the VPN server. So let's do it. So sometimes you might get a connection error, then it will ask you to reconnect. So like in my case, it assigned me an IP first and then it asked me to reconnect. So just click on retry and it will be done in no time. So let's retry. After the connection has been done, you will be definitely assigned a new IP which will be of the location that you have selected. So right now let's check my IP address after I have been connected to the VPN. So let's click on what's my IP. So let's do it. We will be told our IP by Google, and after that we will check our location using the IP address. So let's do it. So you can see that the IP which was assigned to me by Soft Ether VPN is same as the IP which is being told by Google. Now let's check our location based on the IP address and see if it is located in Japan or not. Let's do it. So we have to go to ipgeolocation.net for that. So let's go iplocation.net. I'm sorry. So you can see that my current IP address is 131.147.103.132. So and it is located in Yokohama, Japan. Sorry for the wrong click. So it is located in Yokohama, Japan. You can also see that in the map that it is actually located in Japan, and you can connect to any country using this method very easily. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope the tutorial was clear and I hope you liked the video. Click the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Also make sure you click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our future uploads. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Click the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful, and share for more videos like this.